Hello, this is Ollie's Productions Lol here, and I'm going to teach you how to program in VB. Right, so first thing what you want to do is make a Windows form. For this, we are going to make a simple calculator. Just name it calculator. Right. Alright, so what you're going to need for this, you're going to need a button. We're going to make a simple one, so you're not going to actually press the buttons, like this. You're not going to make this. It's just simple as a button and two text boxes. Right there. We're not going to make it pretty, alright, just going to do the fundamentals. Calculate. If you want to name it, just go to the top. Or should I say go around about the bottom where it says design. BTN. And then wherever you want, I'm going to put calculator. Calculator. Then you're going to name your text box as txt num1 and txt num2, whatever you want to put. It don't really matter what you put, it's just if it makes sense to you and so on. Alright, so what you want to do is double click. You just double click on the button. Alright, so you want to declare in memory that this is the variable part, so it does not matter what you put. I'm going to put input 1 as integer equal to txt num1.text. Basically that's saying declare in memory that this variable is an integer and it equals to whatever text is in there. Then you can copy and paste this if you want. Just paste it here, and then you want to change this variable to, let's say, input number 2, and that is equal txt num2. So the second text box. So you've got your variable so far here. Now what you want to do is do a variable. So you've got your main variables here. Now you want to dim ans for like answer. Or you can just put answer if you're going to put that. Answer as integer. Or you could do decimal. No, let's do integer. I'm terrible at typing. And that equals input 1 multiplied by input 2. Alright, so then what you do is, if you want to do is a message box, just put message box dot show, and then in brackets just put answer. Easy as that. So just let it load up. First time when you play it, it might be a bit slow. But I mean, even because I've got a bad computer, how is it? So put whatever you want. Calculate there. 345 times 3 is in fact 1035, sorry. Such a retard. Alright, and then if you just want further proof, you can't actually do that in your head, just do 10 times 2. Easy. So, you've got a simple calculator now. So, you might want to make it pretty, you might just want to do a multiplication one. You want to put text, so calculator. Alright. So, if you want, like, when you... So when you've got this message box up, nothing's here, is it? So what you can do if you want is then where answer is just put a comma, then speech marks, and then put answer. And that will do is put answer in the border. So just put random numbers here. Yeah, there. So I'll name the message box and then it will give you the answer. Right, so we've got the basics out of the way. So now, what you can do if you want is put like, your answer is, and then it'll show you the answer. So what you can do is, your answer, or your answer is space, you want to put a space in between there, and then just put an ampersand. Easy as that. Your answer is 2,175. And if you want to be a bit more creative if you're filling up to it, you can even do this. So so input 1. So let's say input 1 is whatever you put. So if I put in 5, so 5 ampersand speech marks 5 multiplied by, and then you will put another ampersand here, then speech marks, and then by input 2, speech marks, equals, you will put 2 space on the left and right side, equals, and then just put an ampersand there. With that, basically what that does is, whatever you put in your text box, multiplied by the second number, so the number which is in the input 2, txt num2, equals answer. So just to show you, that should be 99. Yeah. 33 multiplied by by, that should say by 3 equals 99. Alright, so now you're wondering, well, how do I do minus, divide by,